All right, to start with, we have Kaylee dried some plants in the oven. She found that the mass of the roots changed by 30%. The mass after drying was 40 grams. What was the mass before drying? Round your answer to the nearest whole number. All right, so we might as well just grab our little pencil here, and we got a number there, 30%. We got a number there that it all has to add up to. All right, so looking at this again, drying the plants in the oven, the mass goes down by 30%, and it's going to equal 40 grams after we take them out of the oven. It was heavier than that when it went in the oven. The question that I have, and I ask my students all the time, is what's the best percent that you can get on a test? And they will tell me that it's 100%. That's what the weight of this root was before we put it in the oven, turned the oven on high, and started drying it out. After we took it out of the oven, then it was 30% less than this. 100% minus 30% is what? 70%, right? I think everybody would agree on that. We need to turn this into a decimal, so we take the invisible decimal and move it 2 places to the left. So what we really have is 0.7 or 70% of some unknown number equals the 40 grams. And then we're supposed to round our answer to the nearest tenth. I'm going to pause now, and everybody can take out their calculators and do the next step, and we'll see what we get for an answer. Okay, so what exactly is our next step? Well, on the left-hand side, we have multiplication going on. To solve this for n, we want to do the opposite, which is dividing. So we do 40 divided by 0.7, and according to my calculator, I got 57.14. Boom, 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 and that decimal kept going on. And then it says to round to the nearest whole number. So we look at, this is the ones place. I look at the number behind the decimal, and it's 1. 1 is less than 5, so I'm going to leave that 7 alone. So our answer here is when this stuff went into the oven to dry out, it weighed 57 grams. Watch this video again as many times as it takes to learn how to do an integer problem like this.